right, that was a quick cold start of our 2006 Mini Cooper S. Now we'll take you inside a little bit, show you around, but it is a classic Mini interior where it is just some driver-focused ergonomics and not a whole lot of frills on top of that. So as you can see, the temperature gauge there down in the middle, this was a proper cold start, as we've been on winter break for a little bit, so we are back and had the car fired up and not a problem at all. Started right up. So as you can see, the central tachometer there, we just have the parking brake on and we have the seatbelt light there, but other than that, no concerns, warnings, messages, anything of that nature. Just ready to drive. So just a little bit around the interior of this Mini Cooper S convertible. The top controls there, and you have your additional controls for climate, radio, your windows there, stability control, fog lights, locks, and then here your mirrors and your heated seats. Very nice to have, as is a 6-speed manual transmission. Also has all-weather mats. You see the owner's manual and literature there. Harman Kardon sound. Very nicely equipped for a 2006 Mini. And then you have your steering wheel controls for entertainment, cruise control, all of that. Your light and a windshield wiper stalks attached there. And that's all pretty simple and straightforward, as a Mini is. It's very, as I said, driver focused. Everything's simple right in front of you, and that just about does it for this one. If you have any additional questions, feel free to drop a comment. Otherwise, best of luck in the auction, and thanks for watching.